Kia ora guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Daniel, and as always, I hope you guys are having a good day. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the 5 things every guy should do before a first date. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you do click. So if you guys haven't my words today are not coming out, eh? So if you guys haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button down below, because there will be a lot more fashion, lifestyle and health and beauty videos to come. Also, go check out my Instagram page at Daniel Simmons, because I do post a lot of photography, travel and fashion. With all that being said, let's dive into today's video. So guys, a first date. Now this is a very important moment, because this is when you really first make that first impression, because the first date pretty much sets the tone. It's pretty much the impression that they're going to hold for the whole entire time. So we're going to be looking at the top 5 things every guy should do before a first date. So starting off with number 1, and this is washing your hair. And I don't mean just running your hair under the water, I mean using the shampoo and conditioner. You want to create that clean surface for your head and to get rid of any dirt and oil. Remember, girls know about this stuff. Girls will know if your hair is looking oily or dirty or just, you know, not groomed correctly. You want the head on your hair to look clean and healthy, because that way when she looks at you, she will think that you are clean and healthy too. So second on the list is to trim or shave your body hair. Now when I'm talking about body hair, I'm talking about everything from pretty much your eyebrows, so like, you know, plucking out any little bits in between. You know, we've talked about that before. If you are a clean shaver, then this is obviously your time to clean shave. Take your time when clean shaving this time, because you do not want any cuts just before your date. You don't want to rock up with all of these little, you know, spots that you've been bleeding on and things like that to create irritation on the skin. Now if you are someone who has a beard or kind of stubble like I do, it is very important to clean up the cheek lines and the necklines below. This is going to keep you looking very sharp and on point. Remember, the key here is that we don't want to look messy. We don't want to look like we're just going to a bro's place to play PlayStation or something like that. You're going on a first date. We want to look good. We want to be on point. Now also talking about the body hair is, guys, take care of all your body hair, okay? As in down there too. You don't know where the night's gonna be going, and I'm not saying, you know, you're gonna get lucky on the first night, but wouldn't you rather be prepared? You know, just make sure everything's kind of like presentable, I'd say. Like, you guys know what to do, I hope. But yeah, it's not just about up here, just take care, because I'm pretty damn sure your date will be taking care of themselves too. Now third on the list is clean shoes. We need our shoes to be clean, guys, on point. We don't want our shoes looking dirty, messy, or having drink stains on them from the, you know, your night out before at the club. If you've picked out your favorite pair of shoes that you want to wear, just give them a quick little clean. It's not that hard to do. I am going to be making a video soon on how to clean your shoes in about 20 seconds to make them look fresh and pretty much presentable for going on a date. But yeah guys, take any scuffs off them. If your shoes are quite beat up, choose a different pair. Like I said, it's about making that first impression, okay? And these impressions last a lifetime. Fourth on the list, guys, is fresh clothes. So the whole outfit that you guys picked out should be nice, clean and fresh clothes. And what I mean by that is, you know, straight out of the wash, okay? Not something that you've worn, you know, 3 days for, a week before, or on the last date that you went to. Everything should be clean. You don't want any night before smells on your top. You don't want any being like on the tubes or around people who smoke, things like that. All those smells will sink into your clothes, and we don't want that. We want your clothes to smell fresh, just like they've come out of the wash. And not only that, the last thing you want is when you're sitting down on a date with her is to look down and see that there was a stain that you didn't notice before. We don't want that at all. Keep everything clean and fresh. Iron the damn clothes, okay? Don't just, you know, okay, cool, they've dried, and chuck the shirt on or things like that. Guys, it's gonna look messy as hell. We don't want that. Obviously, as you see here, I've got a shirt. It is wrinkled up as hell. It's clean, but it's not the point. It still doesn't look good. Now here, you also see that I've ironed it and it looks a lot better, a lot more presentable, and it just looks like I take care of myself. And guys, it's not even so much of looking like you take care of yourself. It's just coming across like you tried and that you actually gave a shit about this date, and actually showing that your date is worth your time. You know, you're actually trying to put effort in to look presentable for them. Number 5 on the list, guys, is to go out and buy some mints. And I know that might sound just a bit off right now with the list, but trust me guys, mints, not chewing gum, no, mint. You want mints for one, just before you rock up and pick up your date. Pop in a mint, you're gonna have that nice fresh breath. And then second is, let's say you're going to dinner or you've gone to coffee or anything like that, you want to chuck a mint straight in your mouth afterward, because you're gonna have either that coffee breath or something that you had from dinner. Let's say you had olives, that kind of smell and taste is gonna be in your mouth. And you know, if the date's going well and you get a kiss at the end, you don't want her thinking about the dinner that you just had. Also, the reason why I say mint and not gum is because putting a mint in your mouth, it can kind of just sit to the side. It can just slowly dissolve in your mouth and you're not just sitting there, you know, like chewing away. That's not a good look. You know, sitting there after your date going, nah, it's not good. Mint in the mouth, real subtle, nobody knows. Alright guys, there we have it, my top 5 things every guy should do before a first date. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a nice big thumbs up. And again, if you haven't already and you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe down below because there will be a lot more fashion, lifestyle, and health and beauty videos to come. Now, I do want you guys to head over to my Instagram account at Daniel Simmons, and I'd like you to just scroll through some of the photos and let me know if you guys would like a tutorial on how I edit my Instagram photos. And if you do, make sure you either comment on my photos on my Instagram or let me know in the comment section down below. Other than that, guys, I hope you continue as always to have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next one.